Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. You will see your problem is solved. Thanks for watching.